Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the assistant professor vacancies from the three different state government affiliated colleges. So for this ones, the UGC NET or PhD is not required and there is no application fee. You can directly go for the interview if they called. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. So here the first college is the Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, and here it requires the professor, associate professor and assistant professor for the following departments, that is CSC and IT, and the qualifications and pay scales as per the AICTE, and you have to send your resume to the recruitment@vbithyd.ac.in on or before 17th November 2020, and the eligible candidates will be intimated about interview dates by the phone or the email. Okay, so if you belongs to these departments and if you are having the post graduation only, so you may send your resume to this mail ID on or before 17th November 2020. If you are shortlisted, you will be directly called for the interview. And next, while coming to the next one is the Dharmsingh Desai University. It is Nadiad. And here applications are invited in prescribed format for the following faculty positions under the ad hoc GIA category. And here you can check down that chemical engineering, assistant professor GIA, and information technology, assistant professor SF. So eligibility for faculty positions as per the AICTE GOG University eligibility guidelines, and the prescribed Google application form that you will get from the official website of this Dharmsingh Desai University. And here the website ID is also given here, ddu.ac.in, and you have to fill up the Google form. So there is no application fee, and the last date for submission of the duly filled application is the 25th November 2020 by the 4 p.m. And the list of eligible candidates and selection schedule will be put on the notice board and the website of the university on 1st December 2020. And the third college is the Nehru Group of Institutions. It is in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So here you can send your resume. So for the teaching careers and the non-teaching careers. Okay. So if you are trying to apply for the teaching careers, then click on that one. And here one Google form will open. So you have to fill up this Google form carefully. And here the different positions are there for the principal, dean, director, HOD and the teaching. Okay, so as a teaching position, then you can able to select the teaching. And here you can check down the different departments for the engineering, business school, arts and science, or aeronautics and architecture. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, then you may send your, you may fill up this Google forms, guys. And for the non-teaching position is also there, and you can apply for the NGA TVA also. Okay, so you have to fill up this one. And so while coming to for the positions, so for what positions you have to fill up here. So select that one, and your specializations in UG and PG, all these things you have to fill up, guys. Okay, so it is a third college where all the departments they are accepting. So if you want selected, then will be called for the interview. Okay, so these are the three different types of colleges that I want to show you, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGSNet paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGSNet paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam in the 2021, so both the UGSNet paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGSNet exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.